square root for 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x is equal to cosecant x plus cot x. Now starting again from left hand side is square root for 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Rationalization, 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x times 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Now this becomes 1 plus cos x whole square upon 1 minus cos square x. Square root for 1 plus cos x upon sin x whole square. Now this becomes 1 plus cos x upon sin x. Now what we have used here, 1 minus cos square x is equal to what? Sin square x. 1 minus cos square x, using identity, this is equal to sin square x. 1 upon sin x plus cos x upon sin x. Cosecant x plus cot x is equal to right hand side. 1 upon sin x is equal to cosecant x and cos x upon sin x is cot x. Hence proved. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved.